Hi everyone, so for this Friday's video, instead of doing a montage, I want to share with you a little bit more of a humorous video as to why I like to wear these gloves and my knee pads for my daily work. Check it out.
I almost caught myself on this because it was sticking out this way. This piece, look at how flimsy it is, right?
And there's a drop section, so I was down at the other end and I couldn't necessarily see the attic hatch from where I was. All of a sudden, of course, my headlamp quits. These are some of the best purchases that I've done, all at Dollarama for $3 in Canada. So I've been trying to stock up on these. They've got an acrylic coating, very, very thick. And so it's definitely good for puncture resistance. 4 crossers that you see for the A-frame. I did second attic as well. Here's a couple of shots. And then the end product as well.
You see there's no crosser, so I've got to be careful. I can't step on this drywall. And so I've got to basically do the plank to crawl in here. I want to show you again. Right here, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nails that are exposed. And then right here, a couple more. And then over here. So that's, like I said, you always got to be careful when you're stepping around your own attic, because sometimes these are going to be covered and not obvious. And then, you can go on the one side, turn around, and this is in your face.